Alright guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm just going to be doing like top 10 fidgets, because I have ADHD, I actually do. Just recommendations for some people. So first off, we have this infinity cube. My friend 3D printed this for me. It's pretty cool. It's not like a regular infinity cube where it's like a square. It has like rounded off corners and stuff. I think it's pretty cool. I like just playing with it like that. It's kind of like Pac-Man. Sorry. Next is these two little things. They're like kind of like silicone. I just like squishing them and like yeah, just like. All right. Next thing is this like soccer ball. It's a fidget spinner. I think it's pretty satisfying. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Okay. Next I have a knockoff tech deck from the dentist. It's from the dentist, but I like just like kind of putting my fingers on it and doing that. It's pretty nice. Yeah. So then I have this banana squishy. It's pretty satisfying. I've had this for over a year now. That's why it's kind of messy and gross, but I still like it. Yeah. Then next up I have this yo-yo. Shout out to Ned. Pretty good. It doesn't have a string in it because I don't know why. I actually don't know why. So, bye-bye. Oopsies. Still on? Oh crap. Yeah, sorry. And then this one, it's a keyboard cap. It's supposed to be, I lost the keyboard cap. So, it's just like this little blue button. Pretty satisfying. Yeah. I definitely recommend it. It also comes with a keychain, so you can put it on your like your backpack or something. Then this one's kind of weird, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. It's a octopus. My friend 3D printed this for me as well. I just like. Yeah. It's pretty fun to play with and just like mess around with them. Yeah. Alright. And then I have this 3D printed like snake dragon thing. Yeah. It has like this cool leaf tail. Like that. And then it's like fun to like let it like play around in your fingers with. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's not very big, like it's that big. Like from my wrist to my like middle finger, like that. It's not that long. But yeah, it's pretty fun to like just like mess around with it. Alright, best for last. This thing. You've probably seen this thing before. It's like a star thing, like that. But like you can like see much of the thing. Alright. Yeah, that's a fire song. That's a fire sound. Yeah. It looks really trippy when you do this. Yeah, hold on. This might be bad for it, but Eh. Yeah, it's pretty satisfying. I really like this one. Well, see you guys later. It was fun filming this video for y'all. Hopefully, you can find some pretty good fidgets in the future. And I hopefully this video helped you out. So, thanks for tuning in and supporting my channel. I'm just a new content creator here, and I would love the support. Peace.